Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're checking out what I believe is the best rubber heavy-duty 7.5 FT garden hose out there. The Giraffe Tools Garden Hose 75 feet by 5/8. Whether you're a homeowner, gardener, or someone just tired of fighting with kinked, leaky hoses, this one's going to grab your attention. Let's break it all down. Right out of the box, this hose impresses with its hybrid construction. It's made from a 3-layer composite material that combines the flexibility of rubber and the durability of polymer. That means it's not just strong, it's also resistant to UV rays, corrosion, and abrasion. You won't have to worry about cracks forming in the sun or it degrading over time in rough environments. Even though it's tough, it remains ultra lightweight. Lifting and moving a 75-foot hose around your yard can be a real workout, but not with this one. Its flexible design makes coiling and uncoiling a breeze, and you'll immediately notice the difference when handling it, especially compared to traditional heavy-duty hoses. Let's talk about performance. This hose supports up to 150 psi of working pressure and a burst rating of 600 psi, more than enough for any home or garden task. It's designed to prevent kinks and make attaching the hose super simple, even if you're dealing with a stiff spigot. This little detail makes a huge difference. No more twisting and turning the whole hose just to get a tight seal. It also features solid 3/4-inch heavy-duty brass fittings. These are leak-proof by design, giving you that satisfying, secure connection without dripping all over your shoes. Once it's connected, you're locked in with zero water waste. In day-to-day use, this hose feels like an upgrade in every possible way. Whether it's the seamless glide along the lawn, the easy storage, or the resistance to tangling, it checks all the boxes. The flexibility holds up even in freezing temperatures or scorching heat, which makes it an all-season performer. A lot of hoses claim to be kink-free, but the Giraffe Tools hose really delivers. With a swivel handle and lightweight design, it's easy to avoid those annoying twists and snags that stop your water flow and waste your time. And since the inner diameter is a full 5/8 inch, you get excellent water volume for faster watering and rinsing, no matter the task. This particular model is 75 feet long, but Giraffe Tools offers various sizes to fit your needs, from as short as 2.5 feet to a full 100-foot option. Even bundles with nozzles and sprinkler timers if you want the full setup. If you want a hose that's rugged but easy to manage, durable yet lightweight, and delivers professional-level performance with zero headaches, this is it. It's built to last, built to perform, and it's backed by great support from the brand. For those who value quality, ease of use, and long-term reliability, this might just be the last hose you'll need to buy. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see a side-by-side test with other popular hoses. Until next time, keep your tools smart and your water flowing.